Hi there, it's Kate from the Oak Lawn Public Library and Adult Services on the second floor. I want to show you what it looks like to read an audiobook on Libby. Let's have a look at Libby. So earlier I was looking at, in a different video, I was looking at a Colson Whitehead book, and now I want to look at an audiobook. So I had entered Colson Whitehead in the search box, and it tells me we've got books and audiobooks. So I'm going to check out an audiobook and let's play a sample, see what that looks like. So this book is not available, for example, but I can play a sample here. But let's have a look and see what is available. So this book says borrow. I can borrow it. I'm going to click borrowing for 14 days. I'm going to click borrow. And I'm going to open the audiobook. What's that like, you might wonder? And you can play audiobooks in the car, pair it with your Bluetooth, and it'll
Penguin
even
Random
cooperate.
House Audio presents The Nickel Boy.
Isn't that cool? It'll even cooperate with your Google directions, so you can listen to an audiobook and then your Google or Apple or whatever other directional app you use will come on. So, you'll be reading the book and then it'll stop and say, make a right in 1,000 feet, and then it'll go back to the book. It's awesome. Let's listen to 20 more seconds of the book.
By Colson Whitehead. Read for you by J.D. Jackson, with acknowledgments read by the author.
Let's skip ahead a little bit.
Prologue. Caught the sunlight on bright afternoons. Names were carved.
Anyway, audiobooks are just terrific, and of course they count for our reading challenges. I hope that this shows you something interesting about audiobooks. Give it a try. Let us know what you think. And if you have any trouble, don't hesitate to contact us at the library. Have a great day, and don't forget, log your reading in Beanstack.